Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to show you just a local on daily time frame and 12 time frame updates for Pepe. Let's dive in, guys. So this idea what I shared basically 11 days ago. Almost touch this level. Maybe we'll touch it, maybe not. Nobody know the future, but basically the ideas still are relevant. If you hop in here in short position, you could be in profit, but I'm still waiting the deviation. I will not buy the Pepe even if we drop and form the deviation. Personally, for me, no makes sense because Pepe is around 10 billion market capitalization, guys. So this is not what I'm looking for from meme token sector. So now a lot of other just 100,000 meme tokens which got a potential for the uptrend. And yes, of course, this video is more for the people who just trade a local chop, this one, and for the people who wait to sell their gains while they accumulate it here. So just always zoom out and take a look. We unfortunately or fortunately we got a time to buy and time to sell. So don't be the guys who will be like exit liquidity for the market makers. So everybody who want to accumulate a Pepe and made a right decision, you know, they did it in 2023 or at least in 2024 summer. So this was a low. Now, of course, it's yes, most likely we'll see the continuation, but just ask yourself, even if we go much higher, so 300, 500% from the meme token, is this what you're looking for? I guess not. While that people made insane gains. So guys, yes, now locally, it's just still the range. So I mark the zones and it can be deviation or here, because at this chronometer, we can't know where exactly the size of this deviation can be here or here. So that's a question. You know, because I mark the deviation, this one, it's like a weekly favorable gap, but it's not necessary. So we should drop and close a full fill of a weekly favorable gap. Now here, if we use the FIB, for example, so we form the correction to this one, to 61 level FIB. If we bounce now and going by this direction, or we form deviation at full fill of weekly gap, or we can drop just to 78 level of FIB. It will be more than enough. Also sweep these lows, drop, test 12-hour time frame, buy line, test, and going higher. So of course, I can't know, guys, for sure where we will stop. I can't know the weeks. You know, now everything looks okay. Maybe we will not drop exactly to sweep this low. Is it possible? Yes. That's why if it's a range, would be good to see the deviation at least here. So it's 0.4014. So and 78 low by FIB, 76, it can be here, 86, this one. So just in case, guys. And of course, after that, I would like to see the range bound and the bullish green spring 25, green like this green frog. So that's the point, guys. Take a look now with my custom sell locally, just locally. I don't care about weekly or monthly time frames. Now we just take a look locally here. This was accumulation. You can compare. Just open the charts and compare how it played out in the history on 12 time frame. If you trade on 12 time frame, for example. So daily time frame would be good deeper. So of course, it can be pretty bad case scenario. So we can drop like 20% more and base it on what and why we should drop 20%. I don't know, but yes, it's possible. And also take a look, even on a market mood on the daily, it's in a capitulation zone. So imagine last time capitulation, yes, of course it was here, bounced, but the main global capitulation was here in September. So market mood never lie. Pretty good one. No accumulation on direction. So at least in September we got a capitulation. We got here the middle range like now, and on direction we got a signals to buy, like accumulate. Now, unfortunately, nothing. Also on 12-hour time frame we got yes signals. So step by step the wells accumulated. But the best case scenario is to see something like this one and going higher. Not even sweep the full fill and form the deviation on the 12 time frame and going higher. Drop into capitulation zone and see more signals to accumulate on direction indicator. So this is what I'm looking for. Maybe for speculation, for intraday, for swing trades is okay, but I'm not looking to buy Pepe now or like investment, you know, guys, just to be honest. This was signals to buy on 12 time frame. So if you trade it, you could fix 50% profit. Just a swing trade, guys. And daily time frame, nothing. So basically nothing. Yes, it was signal to sell, what I showed you before. Buy back, but without a signal to buy, guys. So I would like to see this sweep again. Take profit, trade on. So here, now like you can see, it's like a flat line. A buy line was and still now a little bit lower, right? This one. So it's a 0. Let's take a look at this one. 0.24013. So this is exactly 788 level by FIBA by range weekly gap. That's why I marked this level. So here, or we're gonna test the buy line on 12 time frame, or we can test the deviation at the bottom at the buy line on daily. So guys, unfortunately now we can't know. That's the point. And daily time frame, no money inflow. Here was a money outflow, nothing. And here, 1, 2, 3. So step by step, yes, of course, it's good. On 12 time frame, we saw the money inflow, but need to see some tests. And next 2 weeks can be the pretty also crucial for the alts. So guys, all eyes on Pepe. We'll come back to this idea later, you know, basically in the next week, and track it. And I hope that February, March, April, May will start forming the reversal move on alts and on Pepe especially. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Pepe now. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, I would show it in this video. Just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.